A very good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you how to find the six-figure grid of a symbol or a feature that's there on the topo sheet. Okay, now you know how to find the four-figure grid. First comes the eastings and then comes the northings. Now, if you are asked to find the six-figure grid of this perennial well. Now, this perennial well lies in this grid. Okay. So the four-figure grid of the perennial well is 81, then we put a dash, and the northing is 17, okay? And again we put a dash. So here we are going to write the third and the sixth digit, and it will become a six-figure grid. So the third digit will be the easting, and the sixth digit will be the northing. Okay. Now, this is the easting line. So we are going to divide this easting into 10 equal parts. Okay. Your topo sheet grid is of 2 centimeter. Okay. Both the sides. It's a perfect square. The length and the breadth 2 centimeter. Okay. So the fifth division will be 1 centimeter from here to here, and then from here to here another 1 centimeter. So it is a 2 centimeter line. Okay. Same way, this side from here to here the midpoint will be a 1 centimeter, and then from here to here will be another centimeter. So a 2 centimeter line. So we'll write the value of the easting first. So we will divide the easting into 10 equal parts. Okay. So 2 centimeter means you have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeters. So we will divide the easting into 10 divisions. Each division will be of 2 millimeters. So with your scale, you will keep your scale like this. And with 2 millimeters, you will make the divisions on the grid. Okay. So 1, it begins from bottom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this will be the 10th. You don't have to write 10. So the eastings are divided into 10. Then comes the northings. Okay. So the same way from here you will begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this will be the 10th. You don't have to write 10 here also. This also will be a 2 millimeter division. Okay. So now the entire grid is divided. Now we see where is this well located. Okay. Where is the well located? It is a blue perennial well. Okay. Now this well lies in the easting forward. Okay. So value of the easting increases forward, 81 to 82 longitude. So this well lies in between 5 and 6. So you will write here 5. And you will write here 6 on the top. Then you will see this part. Okay. This is the northing readings. 17, 18 upward reading. So now the well lies between 5 and 6 again here. So you will write here 5 and you will write here 6. So the six-figure grid of the well is 8, 1, 5, 1, 7, 5, one answer. And the second answer will be 8, 1, 6, 1, 7, 6. Okay. So 2 answers you will give. In between which 2 grid it lies, division, you will write both the answers. Okay. So it will depend on the council whichever answer we take as consideration, but it's better you give 2 answers. Okay. So is this clear? Now another one we are going to do. Okay. Same way. Suppose I ask you to find out the six-figure grid of a perennial well line here. Okay. Now this perennial well is here, right? This one I am erasing it. This perennial well lies on the easting. Okay. Now the 4-figure grid will be 81 and 17, and the easting, okay, the vertical line. So the easting will be 0, and then the upward reading will be, it is between 6 and 7, so you will write here 6 and you will write here 7. So one answer will be 810176 and another answer will be 810177. Okay, so you will give two answers. Same way, if I ask you to find out the 6-figure grade of a perennial well which is on this place, okay, it's on the northing, okay. So now the 4-figure grid will be 81, 17, okay, and the third value of the easting will be, it is in between 5 and 6. It is in between 5 and 6. So you will write here 5 and you will write here 6, and the northing value, it is on the line, okay, on the northing, on the red line that's there on the topo sheet. So this 6th value will be 0. So the second answer will be 816170. Okay, clear, children? So this is the way how you are going to find out the 6-figure grid. Okay, thank you.